Good morning, happy Monday. I'm your drop-in host, Rose. We are back at it on Aspen Mountain, coming at you from the gondola as we ascend into quite a thick cloud layer here on Aspen Mountain. It started snowing about an hour ago, and it's coming down very consistently. Even though they're kind of small flakes, there's a lot of them. So this lovely spring shower, we are officially in spring now, spring snow shower, is predicted to give us about 2 to 5 inches on the mountains. So that's very exciting. We love to see it. It's actually been quite a lovely snow month this March, and just can't wait to see it continue all the way throughout the end of the month, hopefully, fingers crossed. Let's go out, explore a little, see what kind of fresh snow is out there, and just have a great start to our week. All right, let's go ski. As you can tell, there's a little dusting on top of the groom and the not groomed here on Aspen this morning. With the flat light and low hanging clouds, it's definitely a day for your low light lenses, and also a good day if you feel comfortable to explore some trees, see how they're skiing. There's definitely a nice little fresh layer in here. The stuff underneath is a little bit crunchy, but that's okay. The best piece of advice I ever got when learning how to ski trees, or just becoming a little bit more comfortable with skiing in trees, was don't look at what you don't want to hit. Look at where you want to go. So in other words, look in between the trees, not at the trees. That's where your feet's gonna follow. The Friends of Aspen shrine. Lots of pictures of community members that have passed. And of course, can't forget all our furry friends. Okay, and just like that, I think we're gonna call it a day here from Aspen Mountain. I would definitely recommend getting out today. It's a sleeper kind of day. The snow's really building up pretty quickly, especially mid-mountain and below. It's a little bit thinner at the very top, but you know, I'm sure the storm is working its way up there. But regardless, it's a lot of fun. There's good more than dust on crust, and in the trees it's pretty soft and nice. Anything that was baked over the weekend, kind of had a lot of sun on it, is a little bit stiffer underneath, so just keep that in mind when you're out here. But go out, explore, have some fun, and we will see you on the next episode. Thanks for dropping in with me. Bye.